Number 1. 1979 Plymouth Volare, $7,000, Defiance, Ohio. This 1979 Plymouth Volare is a solid late 70s Mopar cruiser powered by a desirable 360 cubic inch V8 paired with the durable 727 automatic transmission. Finished in red, this car represents the era when American automakers focused on comfort and smooth highway driving. The seller describes it as a good cruiser, which is exactly what these cars are known for. Volares are becoming harder to find today, especially with V8 power still intact, making this an affordable entry into classic Mopar ownership. Number 2. 1978 Pontiac Bonneville, $2,000, Southfield, Michigan. This 1978 Pontiac Bonneville is a full-size American luxury sedan with classic late 70s styling and a strong-running 403 V8 engine. The black exterior paired with the red interior gives the car a bold, period-correct appearance. The seller notes that it runs, drives, shifts, and sounds great, although it needs front suspension attention and carburetor adjustment. At this price, it offers excellent project potential for someone wanting a big, comfortable Pontiac with plenty of personality and classic road presence. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro, $2,500, Fraser, Michigan. This 1989 Chevrolet Camaro is an affordable third-generation F-body project with plenty of potential for restoration or modification. The transmission has already been rebuilt, and the previous owner performed an engine swap, although the car has been parked for 2 years and currently does not run. These late 80s Camaros remain popular among enthusiasts because of their lightweight design, sporty handling, and large aftermarket support. For someone looking for an inexpensive muscle car project, this Camaro could be a rewarding build. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet Impala, $9,000, Kendallville, Indiana. This 1978 Chevrolet Impala is far from stock, featuring a freshly built 383 stroker small block V8 with extensive performance upgrades and less than 500 miles on the engine build. Equipped with forged internals, aluminum heads, upgraded suspension, turbo 350 transmission, drag-oriented rear setup, and aggressive wheel combination, this Impala is clearly aimed at street and strip performance. While the body has rust and floor damage, the mechanical investment is significant. It is an impressive performance-oriented full-size Chevrolet with serious muscle car attitude. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet Impala Sedan 4D, $8,500, Columbus, Ohio. This 1977 Chevrolet Impala is an exceptionally original full-size sedan showing only 50,000 miles and retaining its numbers-matching 350 V8 engine. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the car appears to have been very well preserved over the years. The seller claims there are no dents, scratches, or rust, which is increasingly rare for a large 70s Chevrolet. These downsized Impalas became popular because they combine comfort, reliability, and better fuel economy while still maintaining classic American styling. Number 6. 1972 Dodge Dart, $4,000, Portsmouth, Ohio. This 1972 Dodge Dart is an unfinished Mopar project with solid potential for restoration. The seller recently attempted to get the car running with fresh fuel and a new battery, but it currently has no electrical power. Darts from this era are highly respected for their simple mechanical design, lightweight construction, and dependable drivetrains. Even as a project, this car offers a good starting point for someone wanting an affordable classic Dodge that can eventually become a dependable cruiser or muscle-inspired build. Number 7. 1981 Ford Thunderbird Landau, $1,400, Dansville, Michigan. This 1981 Ford Thunderbird Landau is a budget-friendly personal luxury coupe that still runs, drives, and stops reliably. Powered by the small 255 V8 and automatic overdrive transmission, it may not be fast, but it represents the comfortable American cruising experience of the early 80s. The seller honestly describes it as slow but dependable, and recent work includes a rebuilt motorcraft carburetor. At this price, it is an inexpensive survivor that could make a fun daily classic or nostalgic weekend driver. Number 8. 1989 Pontiac Trans Am, $5,000, Dayton, Ohio. This 1989 Pontiac Trans Am has been transformed into a serious performance machine with a brand new LS-based engine build featuring upgraded internals, a Stage 3 ram air camshaft, performance ignition, rebuilt transmission, and laptop tuning capability. These third-generation Firebirds are increasingly popular thanks to their lightweight chassis and aggressive styling. The seller also mentions a solid body with no filler work, making this an appealing modernized muscle car for someone who values performance over originality. Number 9. 1967 Ford Fairlane 500, $8,999, Spotsylvania, Virginia. This 1967 Ford Fairlane 500 is a rust-free midsize classic powered by a 302 V8 and converted to a floor-shifted 3-speed manual transmission. Originally used as a movie and television prop car, it carries some unique history along with strong mechanical upgrades, including a power steering conversion that greatly improves drivability. The seller rates the interior highly while the paint shows some imperfections. Overall, this Fairlane offers a solid balance of vintage muscle car style and practical usability. Number 10. 1967 Chrysler 300, $8,999, Spotsylvania, Virginia. This 1967 Chrysler 300 is a full-size luxury sedan from an era when Chrysler produced some of the most stylish and comfortable highway cruisers in America. Finished in blue and showing 145,000 miles, the seller states that the car runs well. These cars are known for their smooth ride quality, powerful V8 engines, and upscale interiors. As a running and driving example, this Chrysler could make an enjoyable vintage cruiser with plenty of classic 60s presence. Number 11. 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe 2D, $3,500, Freeport, Illinois. This 1973 Cadillac Eldorado convertible is a fascinating one-owner survivor that spent decades stored inside a barn. The car does not currently run, drive, or stop, but the power convertible top still functions, which is impressive after such long storage. With its white exterior and red interior combination, this Eldorado perfectly captures 70s Cadillac luxury. These front-wheel drive Eldorados were famous for their massive size, smooth ride, and dramatic styling, making this a highly worthwhile restoration candidate. Number 12. 1964 Chrysler Imperial Sedan 4D, $7,999, Albia, Iowa. This 1964 Chrysler Imperial is a rust-free luxury sedan from one of Chrysler's most prestigious divisions. Imperials from the early 1960s are recognized for their bold styling hidden headlights, and upscale craftsmanship that rivaled Cadillac and Lincoln. Although the listing is brief, the seller highlights the car's rust-free condition, which is one of the most important factors when purchasing a large luxury classic. This Imperial would make a distinctive and elegant collector car. Number 13. 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger, 5500er, Blair, Wisconsin. This 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger is a rust-free project recently brought from New Mexico, an excellent sign for body preservation. Powered by a 318 V8 and automatic transmission, it is not yet running or driving, but the clean body and solid structure make it a promising restoration candidate. The Dart Swinger models remain very popular among Mopar enthusiasts because of their compact size, lightweight construction, and strong performance potential. Number 14. 1973 Dodge Charger SE, $8,000, Sioux City, Iowa. This 1973 Dodge Charger SE combines luxury and muscle with its powerful 440 big block V8 and rugged 727 automatic transmission. The seller notes that the car runs and drives well, while the interior remains complete and in great condition. These early 70s Chargers transitioned into larger personal luxury coupes, yet still retain strong Mopar performance heritage. Minor dents are noted, but the overall condition and big block power make this Charger a very attractive classic. Number 15, 1962 Oldsmobile F85 Cutlass, DeKalb, Illinois. This 1962 Oldsmobile F85 Cutlass is an interesting early compact luxury car powered by the innovative 215 cubic inch all-aluminum V8 engine. That lightweight engine later became famous through decades of use by Rover in Europe. The seller states that the car runs, drives, and stops well, needing mainly bodywork and a new headliner. Early F85 models are appreciated today for their unique engineering, compact dimensions, and smooth V8 performance, making this a distinctive and affordable classic Oldsmobile.